Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires on your MacBook. Many classic games, including Age of Empires, were originally designed for Windows. But don't worry, there are several excellent ways to get these real-time strategy masterpieces running smoothly on your Apple device. We'll cover 3 main approaches, ensuring you can choose the best fit for your setup and preferences. Let's dive right in and get you gaming. One of the most robust ways to play Age of Empires is through virtualization software. Programs like Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion allow you to install a complete Windows operating system right inside your Mac OS. This means you're running Windows as a virtual machine, giving you full compatibility with most Windows games. It's a fantastic option for a wide range of titles, offering excellent performance, especially if your MacBook has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Another excellent approach involves using compatibility layers. Tools like Crossover or the open-source Whiskey allow you to run many Windows applications and games directly on your MacBook without needing a full Windows installation. These programs translate Windows commands into something Mac OS understands. It's often simpler to set up and uses less storage than a virtual machine. While performance can vary, many Age of Empires games are known to run quite smoothly this way. Finally, for a truly effortless experience, consider cloud gaming services. Platforms like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming let you stream Age of Empires directly to your MacBook over the internet. This means the game runs on powerful remote servers, and you just need a stable, fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more. No installation, no compatibility worries. Whichever method you choose, you'll be commanding your armies in Age of Empires on your MacBook in no time. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.